Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. I'm going to unbox this outdoor patio heater, and we are also going to probably modify it for this garage. I have almost 10-foot ceilings in here, but what I've read, I need 2.5 to 3 feet of clearance above the top of this head. So let's get to work here and open her up. A lot of you guys probably recognize one of these little propane heads. They work pretty well. The only problem is it's not big enough to heat a space like the garage. So this being almost 50,000 BTUs, we'll do the trick. Oh, looks like fun. Got a lot of bits and pieces. That's probably about as easy as it gets. If you're not familiar with it, this is where the tank will sit, but you gotta take this is the propane head. These are all the plates for the top of it. We'll have to assemble them. This unit came from Ace Hardware. Just happened to be looking online. I've been watching Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, the big stores, even Amazon. Prices were relatively the same. This showed up as a $10 off on Google as I continue to normally search. So patience paid off, I hope. Some of the reviews said the thermocouple are not really good in them. But that is an easy replacement, so we'll see how this works. That's almost fully assembled. If you haven't seen this little handy trick, a muffin pan works good to keep all the nuts and bolts straight. As per the instructions, we'll put the wheels on, but I wanted to get that done first since I already had it all together before it broke apart. And he's off, like a fart in the wind. You know how kids are. like this video, come back. I'll show you how I cut this and modify it. I feel more comfortable with it down another few inches. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. There are others, check them out, and stay tuned for other videos to come. Thanks, friends.